Hey everybody, I'm the HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, with a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a direct look at two central air conditioning units side by side, the Payne PA8TAN5 and the Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, neither unit features louvered panels to protect the outdoor coil fins. On the inside, both Payne and Della include a factory compressor sound blanket to help suppress mechanical vibration and noise. Both systems hit an efficiency rating of 17 SEER2 when it comes to cooling performance. Where you will notice a real difference in the yard is sound output, with Della operating at 58 decibels and Payne at 70 decibels. The Della is noticeably quieter during operation compared with the louder Payne. Both units use a two-stage compressor that allows the system to drop to a lower stage for smoother comfort and better humidity removal. However, Della pairs its compressor with a two-speed outdoor fan motor, while Payne uses a single-speed condenser fan motor. Regarding manufacturing, Payne is produced in Mexico by Carrier Global Corporation, while Della equipment is manufactured in China. For real-world installed pricing, a turnkey Payne installation typically ranges from $5,000 to $9,000 depending on tonnage and labor. Della equipment is often bought online for $2,500 to $4,700 for the unit, with total installed costs usually between $4,500 and $8,000. Warranty comparison shows Payne offers a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement guarantee. Della comes with a 1-year parts and compressor warranty and also lacks a unit replacement guarantee. My honest recommendation is to go with the Payne PA8TAN5. While Della gives a quieter decibel rating and a 2-speed fan, Payne gives a 10-year warranty and a strong North American distributor network for parts and service.